this cool little grocery getter turns into a convertible sports car. Before. It's on a whole nother level now. Get out, I'll show you guys around. Since I know you think the interior is nice, just wait till you see the outside. Yeah, it's got reverse. We almost squealed the tires. Almost. There she is, in all her glory. The weekend cruiser. Got the good old bumper stickers on there. Gang gang. There you go. The Geo Metro convertible. I don't know about you guys. I love these little cars. It's like driving a little go-kart with a little less power. And the beautiful thing is, no matter how you drive it, you're gonna get over 40 miles per gallon. I think the highest with this bad boy, we've gotten 56 miles per gallon on a long trip. So it's pretty sweet, especially with the price of gas going up. So yeah, if you see one for sale, you better buy it up. See you guys next time. Peace.